It's super cool, guys. If you follow the steps in the video, it's going to work for you. So keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to get San Andreas multiplayer for iOS and Android. So as you can see, guys, we got it working right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So it's pretty easy. So what you want to do is go to your phone browser and type this site, hexmods.com. Alright, so let me just type that in. So it's hexmods.com. So this is the website. Okay, so now we're on the website. We're going to type San Andreas multiplayer. And there it is. So go ahead and press on it. Press the download, and then it starts the download. So before it downloads, there's going to be one more step. So this is the verification step. And what it is you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to wait. So as you can see, guys, we're now at the last step, which is the verification. So what we got to do is download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, we got Underdog down and run for 30 seconds. And we got TikTok down and run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. There's a video to watch if you're confused. And then you'll have the SAMP on your device. So hexmods.com, guys, that's the site where you can download this. Super cool, guys, fully working for your device. So try it out. There's also a video to watch if you're confused, but this is super weird because a lot of people hate on me, but I'm providing a real video. So hexmods.com, that's the site where this actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get SAMP on your device. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe, tell your friends. This is really cool. And yeah, fully updated and everything. So enjoy it while you can last with it. Super cool site. So I'm going to see you guys later. Be a subscribe, tell your friends. This is really just out of my wheelhouse to even believe it's real.